BMW Engine Survival, Episode 3 BMW Engine Killers, the maintenance mistakes that slowly kill your BMW. BMW engines rarely fail because of one dramatic mistake. They fail because of maintenance habits that look correct, but aren't. Many BMW owners believe they're taking good care of their car. They follow service reminders. They trust the dealer. They replace parts when something breaks. And yet, engines still fail early. Why? Because BMW engines don't die from neglect. They die from wrong maintenance choices made with good intentions. In this episode, we're exposing the maintenance mistakes that quietly shorten BMW engine life, even when the car seems well cared for. If you drive a BMW, petrol or diesel, turbo or NA, modern or slightly older, this episode can save your engine. Quick reminder before we start: if your goal is to keep your BMW running 200,000 to 300,000 miles, not just until the warranty expires, subscribe now. This channel is about engine survival, not marketing schedules. Now let's get into the maintenance habits that kill BMW engines slowly. Police car light killer number 1. Trusting BMW service intervals blindly. BMW's official maintenance schedule is designed for lease cycles, warranty periods, lower ownership costs. On paper, it is not designed for long engine life. BMW allows very long oil change intervals, extended coolant replacement, lifetime fluids. These intervals look professional, but they accelerate wear. Modern BMW engines run high compression, tight tolerances, high thermal loads. Fluids degrade faster than BMW admits. What this causes: timing chain stretch, vanos, solenoid clogging, turbo oil starvation. Bearing, where most BMW engine failures are maintenance-related, not engineering defects. BMW survival rule: follow engine-based intervals, not marketing intervals. Oil, coolant, and fluids must be replaced earlier than BMW recommends if you want long life. Police car light killer number 2. Using approved oil instead of the right oil. Many owners think, as long as the oil is BMW approved, I'm safe. That's only half true. BMW approvals cover a wide range of oils, but not all oils protect equally. Problems occur when oil viscosity is technically approved, but marginal oil quality degrades. Too fast oil isn't suited for your driving style. Turbo BMW engines especially suffer when oil shears under heat. What happens over time? Oil film weakens, metal-to-metal contact increases, turbo bearings where timing components suffer. The engine still runs until it doesn't. BMW survival rule: use high-quality oil, correct viscosity, and shorten intervals. Oil quality matters more than brand logos. Police car light killer number 3. Delayed oil changes because the engine feels fine. BMW engines often feel perfect right before failure. Smooth idle, good power, no warning lights, and yet internal wear is accelerating. Why? Because oil degradation is invisible bearing, whereas silent turbo damage starts internally. By the time symptoms appear, damage is already done. Common owner mistake: delaying oil changes because mileage is low, driving feels smooth, no warning lights. BMW engines don't warn you early for oil degradation. BMW survival rule: oil changes are preventive, not reactive. If you wait for symptoms, you're already late. Police car light killer number 4. Ignoring coolant system maintenance. BMW engines are extremely sensitive to cooling system health. Coolant isn't just antifreeze. It controls engine temperature, protects aluminum components, prevents corrosion. Old coolant loses heat transfer efficiency, corrosion protection. This leads to micro overheating, warped components, head gasket stress, turbo heat. So many BMW cooling failures begin with aged coolant, not broken parts. BMW survival rule: replace coolant earlier than BMW suggests. Cooling system health equals engine longevity. Police car light killer number 5. Treating lifetime fluids as truly lifetime. There is no such thing. Transmission fluid, differential oil, transfer case fluid all degrade with heat load time when these fluids break down. Driveline stress increases engine load, increases vibrations, rise bearing, where accelerates. Engine survival is connected to the entire drivetrain. BMW survival rule: replace lifetime fluids at sensible intervals. A healthy drivetrain protects the engine. Police car light killer number 6. Cheap filters and aftermarket shortcuts BMW engines rely on. Precise airflow, clean oil flow, accurate sensor readings. Cheap filters often restrict flow, allow contamination to form under pressure. This affects turbo lubrication, vanos, operation, oil pressure stability. The damage is slow, silent, and cumulative. BMW survival rule: use high-quality filters always. Filters are cheap, engines aren't. Police car light killer number 7. Skipping preventive maintenance until failure. Many BMW owners replace parts only after they fail. This reactive approach kills engines. Examples: worn ignition components, stressing pistons, failing PCV systems, increasing oil consumption, vacuum leaks, causing lean conditions. BMW engines are interconnected systems. One neglected part stresses many others. BMW survival rule: preventive maintenance keeps stress low across the engine. Fix small issues before they cascade. Brain BMW engine survival mindset. Maintenance edition: BMW engines are not fragile. They are precise. They require clean fluids, stable temperatures, consistent lubrication, proactive maintenance. If treated like a generic car, they fail early. If treated like a performance engine, they last far longer than most people expect. Pushpins save this rule: BMW engines don't die from mileage. They die from maintenance shortcuts. Bell subscribe reminder: if you want BMW-specific survival content, subscribe now. Next episodes will cover BMW Turbo Survival, BMW Diesel DPF Survival model-specific weak points. Magnifying glass tilted-right. Final curiosities: most BMW owners don't know many BMW engines fail with perfect compression. Oil starvation killed them first. Coolant neglect causes more BMW engine damage than overheating. Warnings suggest preventive maintenance costs less than one major BMW repair. Automobile next episode teaser.